guys, so we just got to AE Cafe in Box Hill. We've ordered our food and now we're just waiting, and I'm very excited and hungry. It is 11:30 at the moment. Hopefully we'll get our food soon. No way. So this is our first drink. It is a matcha ube iced latte. You don't see much of the matcha. Not very green and not very purple either. It's kind of in between. But we'll see how it tastes.
I don't taste the matcha.
It's alright. She's right. Overall, not bad. Not bad. They're both very earthy flavors. Thank you. This is my drink, guys. It's called Feeling Grey. It is a black sesame cream top on top of coconut water, and they've given us a espresso shot. I'm not sure what to do. How do I drink this? That's good. Oh, it's milk. It just tastes like a regular latte now. Oh, shit. Thank you. That's very good, isn't it? So this one is the mushroom forestier. So it has mushrooms and some kale on some sourdough, I believe, and a drizzle of parsley oil, what I said. And this one, we've got the Wagyu beef teishoku. So this one is steamed rice with beef and some toppings, miso soup and some sauce. Alright, let's see. No man. So after going to that cafe, after seeing it all over TikTok and Instagram, it's quite disappointing, to be honest. The cafe looks nice, but the food and drinks were okay. So if you're planning to come to this cafe, I would say come for the vibes and come for the architecture and the style, but don't come for the food. Maybe have a drink before you go head out for some real food. Alright guys, so we came to this Woolies here because I'm trying to find this new coconut water, but it's infused with pistachio and white chocolate from raw seed. And I couldn't find it at any other Woolies near my place, so we are on the hunt for this thing because they're just sold out everywhere. Let's see if this place has it. Alright, let's have a look for this pistachio. Where would it be? Pistachio. Not here. Here. Oh. And it's sold out again. Everywhere. Why is it sold out everywhere? This is so popular. Why? We're never gonna find it, man. They said the Glen have it. Maybe on the way back, I'll visit the Glen. How to get out? All right. Turn right. All right, so we're just gonna end up walking to a cafe called Beanaholic. It is a cafe. They sell a lot of desserts and drinks. We're probably just gonna go there after this disappointing stop at AE Cafe in Box Hill. So it's about a 7-minute walk. We'll see you guys there. Hi everyone. So we just got back from visiting the 2 cafes here in Box Hill, and I would say, in conclusion, my thoughts and my opinion, do not go cafe hopping or visiting cafes in Box Hill. Why? Because they are not good. I reckon, oh wait, let me think this through. How do I scan this? $2, Jesus Christ. It's so expensive. Oh, I need a card. Do you have a card? Oh, it works, never mind. It works, I got it. She's mine. Alright, yeah, so like I was saying, wait, is my microphone working? Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, I don't think Box Hill is the place to go if you're going for the purpose of finding a good cafe. Yes, they are kind of mid. I would not recommend anything. If you asked me, would I go again to these cafes here? Probably not. Maybe go once for the vibes and the environment and the architecture, but I would not go for the food and drink again. All right, so now we're just heading to my gym to cancel the membership because I'm a lazy fuck. I don't want to go to gym anymore. After that, we're gonna go to another Woolies and try to find this damn pistachio white chocolate coconut drink. Yeah, so yeah. The cafe was a fail, but let's hope the rest of the day is good. If I were a coconut juice, where would I be? Over here. Come on, fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. It should be down here, if anything. Yeah, it should be here. This is actually impossible. Oh, it's actually impossible. All right. So we just got back from the cafes, and I'm a bit disappointed. So I thought I would try and make a black sesame cold foam over coconut water drink inspired from AE in Box Hill that we just went to. So let's do it. All right, so I've got this black sesame powder from I don't know when. It's not expired yet, so I'm gonna try and make a drink using this today. So I'm gonna be using my regular recipe for the cold foam instead of like matcha powder and all that. I'm gonna put some sesame powder. Let's see how it goes. Let's see. Black sesame. And that is my version of a black sesame cloud on coconut water. Well, that's good. Oh, I would enjoy that. Alright guys, we just got to IKEA and now we're gonna go for a quick feed before we start walking and exploring. So let's eat. Alright, so we've got the chicken schnitzel with chips. We have a lamb shank. We've got, what is this? Seasoned smoked salmon with some sauce. I don't know what sauce that is. The classic Swedish meatballs. And a garlic bread. My favorite. I'm most excited for the chicken schnitzel. Look how crispy it looks. Oh, what sauce is that? Very tangy.
Mustard. Is it mustard?
Peep the crunch. Chicken schnitzel. Real question is it real chicken? I don't know.
Beans.
That's good. So crunchy and very juicy. Yeah. Oh. I love room temperature meatballs. All of this was $58. We got some of this cured salmon. It's just smoked salmon with some sauce that it came with. It's not too salty here. Look at this view. Dinner with a view. I mean, not dinner, lunch with a view. Better than any brunch in the city. Lamb shank. Alright, let's try this lamb shank. So lamb shank comes with a, I'm assuming this is like a red wine. Lamb shank with some mashed potato. It's good.
What sauce is that?
It's like a red wine like reduction or something. Not bad. Solid. I'm happy with this.
Very soft.
For being a furniture store, the food is not too bad. Alright, let's finish this food and get to shopping. Time to go shopping. Hey guys, come shopping with us at IKEA. Is it recording? Yeah? Yes? This is the IKEA warehouse where you can grab all your IKEA goods, cheap or expensive. So in our IKEA trip today, we bought Ziploc bags. This is why we come to IKEA. Because I'm cheap and Asian, I'm going to check out the as-is section because we're broke. So the as-is section is basically pre-owned IKEA goods. So if you own anything IKEA and you want to return it or you want them, I guess, sell it back to the business and they will store it in here for a cheaper price. This is my favorite section of IKEA because I'm cheap and I like cheap stuff, you know? Ain't no one trying to buy anything brand new here. Why is everything still so expensive? Or if you want a cheap wine glass, you come here. Good as new. What's wrong with this one? They say not in shape as new. Looks new to me. They returned this plant because it's dead. You guys see this? You can return anything here. This is why I like shopping here. And we're gonna go for $2 hot dog as well. How do I scan this? How do I scan this shit? We just came to IKEA to spend a whopping $8. Charity? Donation? You're kidding me, right? Done. Receipt? Good, all right.